From this empty corner to this. Here's how we grew a symbol of love in our own garden. It all started with a dream and a design. We wanted something unique, elegant, and alive. We built the skeleton piece by piece from paws to tails, creating a strong home for our living art. With strong shrubs as the base, the wireframe was anchored, ready for the magic to begin. Day by day, we watered, guided, and pruned. Patience was key as nature did its work. Then came the art of shaping, trimming the excess to reveal the beautiful forms hidden within. Finally, the metal crutch was removed, leaving our feline friends to stand on their own, grown from nature, a living art piece, a symbol of love, creativity, and patience blooming in our front garden.